Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we will be making apple bread. Now, it's not so cool here in Florida, but up north I'm sure it is, and we recently came back from a trip apple picking. The recipe and the links to the products you see us using here will be in the description below. Do us a favor, click that like button, hit the notification bell, comment, and subscribe to the Little House of Beans. And if you haven't already known, we do have a Facebook group called Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. Beep.
Other side.
Beep.
Okay.
I am really eager to make apple bread. One of my favorite apples is Honeycrisp, and in the recipe. Let's cook.